Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to manage your post visibility on a TikTok application by iOS or iPhone. So let's jump into the tutorial. You just need to open the TikTok application and you need to sign in or log in into your account. And if you are stay in a home section right here, you need to go visit your profile. And whenever you're here, you just need to take a look on these three straight lines right here. And after that, you just need to go click settings and privacy. In this settings and privacy, you just need to take scrolling down until you are coming into the content and display. And here you just need to go click this activity center. And in this activity center, there will be have an analysis about the screen time data on using a TikTok application. But then you need to go into the manage post visibility to manage your post visibility. And now you just need to decide which content that you want to manage. For example, you just need to go click everyone, means that this post can be able to seen by everyone's on the TikTok. But then if you want to isolate some post, for example, you want to keep this post for only your friends or only you just need to go click this circles and click go next. And after that, you just need to choose either you want to be seen by your friends only or only you who can watch this video. If you want to isolate only your friends who can see, you just need to go click friends and go click updates. And how to check it, you just need to jump into the friends, and it will be shown here which post that only be able to access your TikTok's friends. So that's the way how to manage post visibility on a TikTok, guys. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.